Hi students, I am Praveen Sebastian Paul. In this lecture, we are discussing the concept of multiplexers. In digital electronics, a multiplexer, or simply MUX, also known as a data selector, is a device that selects between several analog or digital input signals and forward the selected input to a single output line. The selection is directed a separate set of digital input known as select lines. A multiplexer of 2 raised to n input has n selection lines, which are used to select which input line to send to the output. A multiplexer makes it possible for several input signals to share one device or resource, for example, one analog to digital converter or one communication transmission medium instead of having one device per input signal. Multiplexers can also be used to implement Boolean function of multiple variables. An electronic multiplexer can be considered as a multiple input, single output switch, and a demultiplexer as a single input, multiple output switch. The schematic symbol for a multiplexer is an isosceles trapezoid with the longer parallel side containing the input pins and the short parallel side containing the output pin. The schematic shows the 2-to-1 multiplexer and the selector wire connects the desired input to the output. In digital electronics, multiplexers are also known as data selectors because they can select each input line are constructed from individual analog switches encased in a single IC package as opposed to the mechanical type selectors such as normal conventional switch and relays. They are used as one method of reducing the number of logic gates required in a circuit design or when a single data line or data bus is required to carry two or more different digital signals. Generally, the selection of each input line in a multiplexer is controlled by an additional set of inputs called control lines, and according to the binary condition of these control inputs, either high or low, the appropriate data input is connected directly to the output. Normally, a multiplexer has even number, that is 2 raised to n input line, and the number of control inputs that correspond to the number of data input will be n. Now we are considering a 2-input multiplexer design. We can build a 2-line to 1-line, that is 2-to-1 multiplexer from basic logic NAND gate as shown here. The input A of this simple 2-to-1 line multiplexer circuit constructed from the standard NAND gate act to control which input, either I0 or I1, get passed to the output at Q. From the truth table, we can see that when the data select input A is low at logic 0, input I1 passes its data through the NAND gate multiplexer circuit to the output, while the input I0 is blocked. When the data select A is high at logic 1, the reverse happens and now the input I0 passes the data to the output Q while the input I1 is blocked. So by the application of either a logic 0 or logic 1 at A, we can select the appropriate input I0 or I1 with the circuit acting a bit like a single pole double throw switch. Now we are going to discuss about a 4x1 multiplexer. A 4x1 multiplexer has 4 data inputs I0, I1, I2 and I3 and 2 select lines S1 and S2 and 1 output Y. The block diagram as well as the schematic diagram is shown here. One of these 4 input will be connected to the output based upon the combination of input present at these selection lines. For example, if the selection lines S1 and S0 are at 0, 0 condition, then the output I0 or the output A will be given towards the output. So for example, if the S1 value is 0 and S0 value is 0, that is 0, 0 condition, then the input I0 or the input A will be given towards the output. For 0, 1 condition, I1 or B pin will be given towards the output. For 1 0 condition, that is S1 is 1 and S0 is 0 condition, the I2 or the C pin, input pin C, will be forwarded towards the output pin. For the 1 1 condition, that is S1 and S0 is 1, then the I3 or the D input will be forwarded towards the output. So this is the basic working principle of a multiplexer. So multiplexer has 2 raised to n input pins and it has only one output pin with a selection line which is equal to n number of pin. So here in this circuit diagram we can see a 8 by 1 multiplexer. So 8 by 1 multiplexer has 8 input pin, 1 output pin and 3 selection pins. So my dear students, in this lecture we had discussed the term multiplexer. A multiplexer, also known as a data selector, is a device that selects between several input into a selected number of output, or simply a multiplexer has 2 raised to n input and n selection lines which are used to select which input line are sent towards the output line. So my dear students, kindly go through this assignment question. Our question is, write detailed notes on multiplexers. So dear students, in the upcoming lecture we will consider the concept of demultiplexer. So dear students, see you soon. Until then, goodbye, thank you and all the best.